Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my English comprehension exercise for my beginners out there. I told you I'm starting this beginners English series, helping those students who are learning English for the very first time. I'm going back to an exercise here in English with the alphabet. Today I am going to be talking about basic English. Basic English. You see a lot of teachers, professors on the internet teaching English, telling you that they can teach you English in 1 week. They can teach you English in 3 weeks or 1 month. Don't believe the hype. For you to understand and learn English, you must start out with the basics, and that basics is your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. You must start out with the basics in order to learn English. If you do not comprehend English at all, you need to start with the basics. I can't say that enough. The basics, the basics, the basics. You start with the alphabet and the numbers. One of the first things you should start is to teach the alphabet and the numbers. After you learn and understand the alphabet and the numbers, then your instructor should be teaching you pronunciations, especially for difficult sounds. Teaching pronunciations is extremely important when teaching English as a second language. The teacher should be teaching the students nouns. After teaching the alphabet and the numbers, the instructor should be moving on to the nouns. Teaching nouns will be one of the easiest things for your students to learn. Explain how adjectives modify the nouns. Adjectives allow you to describe nouns that are important for good communication. Instruct your students on verbs. Teaching verbs will be a huge plus in which your students will put together full sentences, full structured sentences, whether spoken or written. I remember when I was a child, when I first started school and began to listen to my teacher teach me and the rest of the students in my class the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s. I always remember the ABCs. We learned our ABCs with a melody.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
With like a song per se. I'm going to give you an example how you can remember the pronunciations of the ABCs in the English language. Just an example. Listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your ABCs. Let's move on to our 1, 2, 3s. We learn English this way, starting with the alphabet sounds. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Let's move on to our 1, 2, 3s. Of course, 1, 2, 3s being the start of the numbers in the English language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth and so on. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Let's move on to our 1, 2, 3s. Did you get that? Did you get that? Did you understand? You can practice your 1, 2, 3s and your ABCs in like a rhythmic fashion. I remember our class when I was a child, we used to sing this ABC melody a lot in class. You go home, we go home singing this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. It was like that, guys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. And plus you're learning a few other extra words there. Now I know my ABCs. Let's do it one more time. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget, I'm so forgetful. Don't forget to like this page and subscribe somewhere at the bottom of your screen there. And you can also play the caption close in your computer there if you want to see the English transcript there, the English subtitle in your computer or iPhone. Okay, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Let's move on to our 1, 2, 3s. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like my page, subscribe for other lessons. I will move on and continue to teach pronunciations, especially for difficult words. I have pronunciation listening exercises on the YouTube channel right now where you can learn the 1,000 most common words spoken in the English language. I pronunciate each word. I spell out each word with the alphabet, and I also give a short sentence using each of those pronunciations, each of those words, okay? Welcome back, guys. Thank you for listening to this beginner's lessons with the alphabet. It's very important that you practice the alphabets in English so you can get the correct pronunciations of the alphabet in the English language. This will help you understand the English vowels a little bit better if you practice and master this alphabets in the English language. Thank you again, guys, for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. And I will see you doing the next English exciting exercise.